Maria, but today we have Nicole. That's my daughter right here. Gorgeous thing. Say hi to everybody.
Hello.
Yes, and what we are going to do today is we're going to cook some salmon stew for you. I want to tell you a little bit of a story about Nicole. She was born in the United States, but she holds a Finnish passport. She holds a European Union passport. So today, in honor of that, we are going to do the authentic Finnish. Hey, all my Finns. Okay, how you doing? We're going to do authentic Finnish salmon soup, which is in Finnish, lohikeitto. Nicole and I together, we're going to be cooking. See you in a few. Anyway, I'm just going to peel some carrots for you all. And meanwhile, let's go ahead and talk some Russian, right? So, right now, let me say this. Oh, now I'm going to peel potato. Oh, you don't know potato in Russian?
I don't know carrot.
Carrot? I thought we already taught you carrot. Markov. Oh, she forgot. Markovka. Markovka. Markovachka.
Mорковка.
Markovka. Awesome. I have great people here in the studio. My daughter is also listening. You already met her. And this is not how I usually peel potatoes, but this is how it's going to be right now. Anyway, this is kartoshka. 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 Say it one more time.
Картошка.
Kartoshka. Excellent. So potatoes are being peeled. And now a little bit more Russian. Ножик. Ножик.
Ножик.
That's knife. Say it one more time.
Ножик.
Ножик. Ножик. That's knife. This will be the same also ножик. Doesn't matter that it's larger or different purpose, but it still be ножик or нож.
Нож.
Okay, нож. Ножик. You can say it like that too. This will be as well. It's a different knife, but still it's gonna be knife. So all the knives you can just call нож. All right. And this is water. Water. Вода. Вода. Течет вода. Течет вода.
Еще вода.
Течет вода. Water is flowing. Течет вода. Okie dokie. See you in a few. Continue peeling the potatoes. Чистить картошку. Чистить картошку. If you have any questions right now, it's a good time to ask me. Go ahead, Ryan. Ask me. What do you want to ask me?
How do you say, can I have a cup of water
Oh,
in Russian?
can I have a cup of water in Russian? Можно мне стакан воды? Можно мне стакан воды?
Thank you.
Go ahead, let me hear you.
Пожалуйста.
Let me hear you say it.
Можно мне стакан воды? Можно мне стакан воды?
воды.
Our cameraman rocks in Russian pronunciation. I tell you that right now. But I'll see you in a few again. Now, salmon stew today, lohikeitto. As all the Finnish people right now just cheered me on, we're gonna go ahead and give you some good pleasure witnessing how Nicole and I are gonna do it. It's a traditional recipe. We're gonna start with leeks. So okay, go ahead, start. Cut it off first, and then start slicing. All right? Start slicing just like I do, right here. Nice, nice. Leeks are onions, but they are not as strong as you real onions. Like start slicing, and there we go. In this particular onion, always stop before you get to the green part. So Nicole, you can do a couple more. Mine's done. You can do a couple more. There you go. And then stop. We just did leeks. Now we're gonna do carrots. Nicole, do you wanna know? Do you know how carrots are in Finnish?
No.
Okay, carrots in Finnish. I'm teaching you Russian usually, but why not throw a bonus, right? Porkana. Mina leikan porkana. Я режу морковку. See? I can do it without looking. Режу морковку. Chop, chop. Chop, chop. Chop, chop. All right. Done. Tell us. So what you been up to today? Before I showed up and start cooking with you.
Working.
Okay.
Took a shower.
We're very grateful that you took a shower. Right.
Prayer this morning.
Oh, you did went to prayer this morning. Okay, that's awesome. And you led worship? Nicole is a singer, you better believe it. I'm telling you, she's good. We're gonna ask her to YouTube our song for us one time. All right, Nicole, why don't you start cutting? Okay. All right. So, go ahead, take a knife. All right. We'll first half them
This way.
here this way, and then just Nicole is chopping our potatoes, and after that we can continue. Just take the kids and try to teach them with you. Cut it in half first. All right, good. Then move it like this. Cut it like that. Okay. Then flat it again on a flat surface, and then do it half again. All right. And now they're ready for you to dice them like that. All right. Be careful when you work with the knife. Always keep it secure.
So how am I doing it now?
Well, you can do it like this and do it like that. Nicole is getting ready to be a wife. That's what we're trying to train her. It's a little bit late in the game. We're trying to teach her, okay? I was very busy when she was grown up doing other stuff. Now I gotta do it again, like this. There you go. But anyway, what's fun when you do it with your family in the kitchen, you can talk and you can ask questions and the kids don't feel intimidated, So I'm gonna ask Nicole now. So Nicole, how was your last date?
It was great.
So where did you all go?
On City Market.
Oh, that's awesome.
Dinner, dessert.
Ooh, dinner and dessert. Who doesn't like dinner and dessert, right? We all love it. Anyway, so she's gonna continue chopping. You can go ahead and just scroll, okay, when you're watching that. If it's enough for you seeing us being chopping the potatoes. But I'm gonna tell you in Russian something, so you know again. Она режет картошку. She is cutting potatoes. Она режет картошку. Я резала морковь. I cut carrots. I cut carrots. Я резала морковь. Она, я, I, me. Она, she. Я, I or me. Она, so. Она режет картошку. Я резала морковь. She, она. I, я. She, она. I, я. Some Russian for you. Well, now we're ready to start cooking, really. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna grab a half stick of butter. Please use unsalted butter. You'll see it in the recipe later on, but I'm just telling you. Half a stick of unsalted butter and put it in a pan on high heat and let it melt a little bit, all right? It's good, it's good. I'm just gonna stir the butter a little bit to help it melt, all right? When it's melted, we're gonna add some leeks and we're gonna probably saute them about 5 to 7 minutes. But I'll show it to you, okay? Okay, butter is all ready. Nicole is gonna grab some leeks and she's just gonna dump them in there. So just go ahead, dump. Dump it all in. Don't be scared of them. Okay, now just kind of break them apart a little bit right here. And we're gonna cover the pot. I love La Crusette. It's the best pot you can ever have. Ceramic, it's so nice. So I'm gonna cover it right now. We're gonna give them about 5-7 minutes. Cover the pot. Now, the star of the show, salmon. Lohi in Finnish. Лосось in Russian. And Nicole is gonna be cutting it. And I am gonna be watching her, how she's doing it. So grab the knife, girl. Move the fish to the cutting board.
This way?
Yes, the whole thing. Move it there. There you go. All right, now, first, go ahead and split it in half. There we go. We already deboned it. We already deskinned it, so it's all good. All right, very good. Separate it. Okay, very good. And now, just kind of make even a little bit smaller, because this is gonna go just like it is into the pot to eat. Yeah, start cutting. Even pieces, all right? Just continue. Just go ahead and we're gonna just continue cutting. Anyway, Nicole cut some, now I'm gonna cut some. I gotta have some fun too. I love working with fish. It's slimy, I like it. Not everybody does, but I do. But I love cooking, remember, right? So it's all good to me. All right, so we cut it, but now we're just gonna go ahead and do a little bit of a bite size. All right, so, it's your cooking. Be rustic if you want to and be creative. It's your cooking. You're the one going to be eating, right? So this is pretty good. we're gonna leave it like that. Choose a good salmon, all right, for this soup, because it's a star. It's called salmon stew. Okay, you see, this is how it should look like when it's ready for the next step. Very easy to break, a little bit brown, all right? If it's too much power on your stove, like my stove is very powerful, lower it to about medium, kind of halfway between medium and low. We're about to add some potatoes, some carrots, some stock. I actually taped myself today in the grocery store when I bought this seafood stock for salmon stew. You're gonna need it. How do you think in Russian would be stock?
Stock.
Oh, you see, she got very creative. Bouillon. Bouillon, that's what it is in Russian, okay? Bouillon, we borrowed that word from French. Bouillon, bouillon. Those of you who speak French, easy for you. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy, some bouillon. So it's gonna be 5 cups of stock, all right? Always remember that when you add a new ingredient, you gotta raise up the temperature a little bit on your stove, all right? So Nicole is gonna add some potatoes and carrots. We'll raise up the temperature a little bit. Go ahead, Nicole. Careful, don't to splash, okay? No splash, no splashing, because it's a hot liquid there. It's okay. Nicole is learning.
How are you not supposed to splash?
Well, you do it, you know, with the right hand will help, because you're right-handed, all right? Now look a little bit over there, see if your amounts are good, because you're kind of cooking. All right, you can do some more. Yeah, some more of the carrots. That's pretty good right now. Some more of potatoes. Let me look, all right? Potatoes, we got carrots, we're gonna cover it now. And this is now gonna simmer for about 10 minutes. And then taste the potato and taste the carrots if they're done or not, okay? Let's peek how it looks. It's pretty good, but it's not boiling yet. And remember, when you're looking, it's not cooking, so don't look too much. Let's peek and see if stuff is done. This is how you taste it. Come on, just break it with fork. See how easily it breaks? Like this. All done. It's all good. We're gonna add some salmon now, all right? Okay, let's see, put it out there, and let's drop some salmon there. Good salmon is going in, all right? This is gonna be fantastic. Now go ahead, Nicole, and cover the pot. We'll give it another 5 minutes, and good to go. All right, take it off. 1 cup of heavy cream goes in. Beautiful, beautiful, and stir nicely, just like this. Come closer, there you go. Now we're gonna cover it for a few more minutes, and there we go. Okay, let's peek and add some beautiful dill. There we go. You know, any fish dish should have dill in it. Brings out the flavor of fish. There you go. Cover, take off the heat, and you're good to go to eat.
Oh, this looks really good.
All right, now let's taste it, and let's see the look. Delicious.
Oh, it really is. I wasn't sure if I was going to like it,
There you go.
but it is really good.
Okay, 2 thumbs up?
Oh, okay. Do I have to do that?
Yes, you do.
But I want to eat it.
Okay, thank you. Well, we're done with our lohikeito salmon stew. I hope you cook it. I hope you love it. Don't forget like, comment, and share, and subscribe to our channel. We are bringing a lot of recipes and language, Russian, teaching you for free. Just enjoy from our kitchen to yours.